few more customs for you. There's a couple hightail haulers. This one has been on YouTube before in another video, in painted grain. Converted it to red lines. Got a dude in there somewhere. Lost the windshield. I think I still have it, but I could order a new one. Just haven't yet. That one's weighted. That one's pretty heavy. Ready to run. And I don't think I've shown the blue one at all. This was orange. It's got the black bikes. Just kind of detailed the motors a little bit. Detail on those, so they look cool. Again, put another dude in there. Got the 5 spokes. Now, normally it doesn't have a rear window, but I put one in this one. Just hacked a hole in the back for the window, and then took a piece of blister from a car, obviously, and threw that in the back. And this was a red no, I think this one was black with the gold Hot Ones tires. Well, it's a racer. And this Cougar, who now kind of looks like a donk. Got these giant rims and tires on it. They were all bent up, still like the color of the car, and thought I'd turn that into a racer also. Rolls pretty good. Alright, thanks for watching.